Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the most delicious hibachi style steak bites you have ever had in your life. These are so awesome, so easy to make, and I'm about to show you how it's done, so let's get into it. So we have two beautiful ribeye steaks here. These are bone-in. Of course, you could get boneless, because we're not using the bone here at all. I'm just gonna, first things first, cut that right on out. And of course, you could save the bone and make yourself like a beef stock or something like that. And we're also gonna trim any little excess fat. I don't really need it. If you want to keep the fat on there, feel free to do so. So we're just gonna cut our steak into nice bite-sized pieces. Kind of cut them as big or as small as you want. Definitely up to you. That's kind of like the size that I'm looking for. Just like that. Just continuing chopping these up into my desired size. Excuse me if I sound a little funny. I'm a little bit under the weather, catching a little bit of a cold, but we're gonna make it do what it do. There we are. I'm just gonna drizzle some oil on top of our steak here. Go ahead and massage it on in as we always do. And I'm gonna season it up proper. On the screen, I have listed everything you need to do so. Go ahead and just make sure your steak is well coated up. Go ahead and mix that up. Making sure they are well seasoned and coated in this yummy goodness right here. All right, I got my pan here screaming hot. Go ahead and lay your steak right on in. Don't be shy. And we're gonna cook this for about, I don't know, 2 to 3 minutes per side. You want it to be nice and golden brown. And again, I got my pan screaming hot. Cast iron pan. You want it to be that way when you're cooking some steak. All right, it has been about 2-3 minutes so far. How pretty is this, guys? Look at that, look at that. We're giving it that first flip. Like I said, make sure to check it. You don't want to burn your steak because we are at a very high temperature. And we're gonna, oh, I can't even get my words out. We're just gonna flip these bad boys one at a time. And we want the other side to just get nice and beautiful, just like this side right here. Wow. Love me some steak, baby. All right, our second side is looking nice and crispy. I'm gonna lower that heat a little bit. Going in, we got some soy sauce. We have some teriyaki sauce. We have some oyster sauce. A little bit of sesame oil. I'm gonna give that a mix. Get all these wonderful flavors talking to each other. How beautiful is this? Wow. I'm also gonna sprinkle in some freshly chopped green onions. It's gonna add a wonderful flavor as well as a beautiful color. Wow, look at that. Come on, man, stop playing with your boy. And just like that, you're pretty much done. If you like your steak well done, you can let it go a little bit longer. You know what I'm saying? Everybody likes their steak at a different temperature. So it's hard to say exactly how long you want to let it go for. Pretty much varies how you like your steak, whether it be medium rare, medium well done, medium well. You can kind of determine what time you want to take it off the stove based on that. This is smelling so good right now. I am ecstatic to dig in, guys. I cannot wait. Let's not waste time. Let's get right on into it, guys. Cheers. How beautiful is that? Come on now. It's hot too. Fresh out the pan. Yo. So freaking good, guys. So flavorful. Absolutely amazing. You definitely got to give this one a try. 10 out of 10. Let's try again and again and again. Jam-packed with all these flavors, guys, that come together so well. So easy to make. As you've seen, it takes nothing to put this together. Hope you guys all enjoyed today's recipe. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces.